Yallingup is a small coastal town that depends heavily on tourism for its survival. The area is well known for excellent surf breaks, and this attracts surfers from all over the world. Surfers first came to the area in the 1950s. Yallingup Cave was discovered by Edward Dawson in 1899, and people started visiting the area to see the cave and enjoy the coastline. Yallingup Cave, now renamed Ngilgi, was one of the first developed specifically for visitors. Aboriginal legend tells a story of a vicious fight between a bad spirit who lived in the cave and a good spirit who lived in the sea. In the early days, people would undertake the 3-day trip from Perth and then explore the cave using little but candles. With increasing numbers of visitors, the need arose for accommodation, so the government started construction on Cave's house in 1901. The hotel first opened in 1903. The first hotel was destroyed by fire, but was rebuilt and opened again in 1938. 5 kilometres south of the turn-off to Yallingup on Caves Road is a 4.5 metre diameter water wheel, which is reputed to be the largest still working in Australia. The water wheel was originally constructed to power a sawmill, which it did until 1938. Now it's just a tourist attraction. The name Yallingup has several suggested sources, which include the Aboriginal word for a place of love. Another suggested, much less romantic, meaning is place of skinning the emu. Yet another suggestion is place of caves, and perhaps that's the most likely.